Okay, here is my new homemade ball cutter. I made this out of brass. I started with a piece of 2-inch brass, took it down to 1 inch, and I got it on the tool post, on the tool holder. This is on a Galaxi. And all the different ones I saw on the internet, none of them fit on the tool post. And the big reason for that, I guess a lot of tool posts don't fit exactly center underneath the chunk of wood. And it has to be exactly center, and you have to start the tool at exactly right in the hemisphere. So I've been working with this for the last couple of days, and I got a little bit more to go. But it's basically mainly brass and aluminum piece. I got like 1 1/4 piece of brass there. I should probably use a round cutter on that versus square, but the square is letting me get into these corners. But you still have to, you can't do the whole thing with this. You still got to use a gouge. But so far this is working pretty good. This piece here is in order to hold the bar to this, and as I screw this screw in and loosen this, I can make the cutter tip go forward. So far it's working pretty good. Beats the heck out of making one out of plywood or spending $350 on a commercial one.